guys, my name is Johanne, 5 years old. Today, we're gonna open this fun playset because it has the on, and you can press this because it has a little sucker on it, and you can get your own tweezers to get off the body testings and even instructions. Okay, let's open it. I think there's a plastic. I can't see myself. Okay, let's open it.
Let me do it.
Yeah, you can. Daddy's helping. I can't see myself. Okay, Daddy's helping us. Come get. I don't think it's not working.
Daddy doesn't know how to do it.
Oh, it's almost got it. Wait. Oh,
Alright.
it's just going open. Oh, it's already open. Let's open it now. Yes.
It's open like that.
Yeah.
Pull it. Pull it.
Okay. Can you get it out?
Pull it like that. Whoa! What's that?
And what's inside here? We need a scissors. Yep.
Oh, there's nothing inside here. Oh, this. Oh, we have the tweezers.
Oh! Accessory fell down. Accessory just fell down. Mommy, take off the plastic.
Right.
Oh, and even the instructions.
Instructions?
Yeah. Look, it's a... Look. See? Look at that. We're gonna put these in here.
Okay, let's see. All right. So what's the instructions? We have here, we have your clamp. It's your clamp.
Yeah, and now you can put
And
all
your
the body parts up there.
Tweezers. Tweezers.
Yeah, we're so excited to open it. Let's open it.
Let's see what we can see first. The parts of the body that we can.
Look. You can see a body just popped.
Oh, it still has. Okay.
Oh, it's very squishy like a gummy. Oh, it's coming up, it's coming up. Oh,
Wait a minute. Don't open it like that.
Look, it's always squishy.
Let's see.
It's squishy like a gummy.
What's this?
This is the body parts.
You have to open it up
Mm.
like this.
It has a plastic still. And you can see the body. You can't tell this in the trash can, you know. Because there's the body of the eyes and the mouth and the nose and and even your
What's the
hands. Your hands, bells. Ooh.
Okay, let's see.
Gross.
I'm
Oh,
not
look at
sure.
this side.
It's ready.
Oh, but open.
Open it like this.
Yeah. Watch out not to break it.
Mm-hmm. You want to open it? Like this. Pick it up like this. Oh, whoa. Mm-hmm.
Almost there.
Almost there.
Alright. Oh,
Oh, this is,
put the body parts there first.
we need a.
Take the plastic off.
Okay.
Oh,
And the other one there.
oh, 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 oh.
Oh, careful with the heart. Oh.
Alright. Let's put this back first. So this is, let's see. So this is, let's see the instructions.
Yep, one just got.
You have to use your tweezers then.
Okay, which is the tweezer?
Right. So it says, use this chart to sort all of your model's body parts as you remove them.
Okay.
If you match them up as you go, it will be easier to put your model back together again. Okay.
Oh.
Wait a minute. Okay. Go ahead.
You have to
Okay.
make sure. You have to make sure. You
Get this first. Get the, what is that?
The like these.
The leaves.
Oh, maybe this
The
is.
leaves.
Oh, it's hard. Maybe we need to, oh, there you go.
Oh.
Oh,
Oh no, the ribs fell away.
Okay.
where did you go?
This says rib cage. Let's put the rib cage right here.
Where did you go?
I got it. The lily, like a no. Okay. Sorry, guys. This one fell. Let me go get the light. And
Let's,
now,
okay.
and I don't want to cheat. Gentle? Yes!
What is that?
Some skins, like it has only a bones.
The
Mm-hmm.
rib cage.
The red case. Now I get put it over there. Wait, it's back. Oh, yeah, it's back.
All right.
Now, next one. Oh, the very squishy. I go. Oh, what's gonna. Oh,
Have to be careful. We have to get the one on top first. Okay, stop. Maybe this one first.
no, maybe not that. Oh,
Oh,
oh, something's in there.
maybe this
Can
one.
you pull them apart?
I'll help you.
Oh. Oh.
What is that?
I don't know.
Wait a minute.
I don't know what is this.
Okay.
Wait, the feet just fall apart.
These are the
I get the feet.
intestines.
Feet.
The small intestines and the big intestines.
Feet.
Let's put them here.
I got the feet.
Okay, got the foot. Okay.
Okay. And we just get.
Let's do this first.
Okay. Oh. One go. One go, one
Let's
go.
do this first. I'll help you hold the other ones. Okay, go.
I don't know. The.
Alright. What is that? It's the
It's the
liver.
liver. Let's put this liver.
Very good.
Liver.
Alright, let's see what's next.
Oh, even this. How about this? Oh,
Oh,
hold it.
let's do this first. This is on top.
Okay.
That one. Okay.
And the top.
Okay. What is that?
And stomach.
Right. Very good. Let's find the stomach. Oh, it's right there.
Stomach. Stomach.
Alright.
What's next? We need this.
Right.
Oh, stick it out, stick it out, stick it out.
Oh.
I think I can't take it off. Maybe I have to use the hands.
Oh. So sticky.
How about we use the
Right. Okay. What is that?
some tip?
It's the kidneys. That's where a pee-pee is made. That's where a pee-pee is made.
And there he is, right over there. It's where we stick it like a gummy.
Right.
There we go.
Alright.
Ooh, how about these?
What is that?
Ooh, let's stick it out, let's stick it out.
Okay. I'll hold it.
Look at it. Look at saying it.
It says the diaphragm.
Yeah, the diaphragm. I just think it's the diaphragm.
Right. It helps. It's the muscle that helps you breathe.
Yeah, and even the bugs make you breathe.
Right.
Backwards. It looks like a height.
Right.
And next one. Ooh, how about
Let's
the...
open this. I'll help. Oh
It's the height inside of you.
my
Wait, what? It's stuck. It's stuck.
That's the
It's the height.
Right.
We're gonna put that heart over there. It's gonna
Right.
really beating at me.
And these lines are the arteries.
Yeah, to make me go down and you'll hurt. And I rub that. Let's get the high five.
Oh, let's finish this first.
Okay. Oh.
What's that?
Look, it says it.
It says the esophagus
Yes,
and the
esophagus.
trachea. That's where our food goes down to our stomach.
Yeah, go down.
And what's next?
Oh, the lungs.
Wow.
It's very huge.
Right.
Oh, I cheated.
What does the lungs do?
They help to make you breathe.
Right. Okay.
Let's put these over there. Ones.
All right. Next.
Maybe let's get the skull out and now. Wait. It's stuck in.
Let's see.
Sorry, I just.
No, that's.
Wait.
think that's
Put this
right.
back. Put this back.
All right.
Yeah, we got the brain out. Squishy brain. Skull.
So let's see what we have there. Let's see.
I'm sorry, I just broke it.
It's okay. It's not broken.
And let's get these out. Get these.
Oh. Let's see. This is the brain. Let's
Oh.
show them first the brain.
This is the squishy with the brain.
Okay.
Squishy.
And this is the skull cap.
Skull's cap. Because it's from your brain. And when you work out, your brain would get funny.
Right.
Oh, look at
I'll put the skull
Look at
here.
this.
We'll fix it later.
this.
What's next? What's that?
Look.
Right. It's the
It's the
femur.
femur. Like the femur does to make your leg walk outside.
Right.
And it can snap
Right.
when it gets broken.
It is the
Bone.
biggest
Biggest
bone.
boom. I mean, look at the. I mean, how? Look at this.
All right.
These are the muscles.
Right. So you see the lines. What are the lines again?
The ones I think like they're going to go to feet, and now they can be small
Right. These are the
muscles.
muscles. And how about the lines? The lines are the arteries.
Arteries.
And the blue lines are the
Are
veins.
veins. Here's my veins inside.
Right. So that's Johanne's veins. Very good.
And mommy's veins and daddy's veins.
Right.
Happy veins.
Right.
And next one.
Okay.
There's something stuck there.
Let's see what's that. Oh. Let's see. Okay, there you go. What's that? It's the lower leg bone.
The lower leg bone.
What do we call the lower leg bone?
The lower leg bone.
It's the
It's maybe there.
tibia and fibula.
You forgot that?
Yeah. Okay, next.
Oh, the muscle hands.
So what's the white lines?
The white ones are
Those are the nerves.
nerves. There's no nerves on me.
The nerves helps you.
Helps you.
What does the nerves do? It connects to the brain, so what does it do?
It does to make you.
It helps you feel.
It helps you feel.
And it helps you control the body.
It helps you control the body.
Right, because the brain, it connects to the brain, and the brain tells your body what to do.
Oh yeah. And how about the half five first? How about the half five?
Alright, let's get this one first. Oh, it's hard. Oh!
You just.
I think I broke it. I'm so sorry. Okay. It's okay. What's that? That's the humerus.
I think it's not broken.
Alright, that's the humerus.
Yeah, you move. Yes. And you can lay it in your hands like everywhere.
Right.
And this is the tummy.
Radius and ulna.
Radius and ulna. Put that over there. I think it's not broken.
Yeah, let's do that one.
This is the half thigh. That's the hand.
Right.
And it can make you way too heavy one.
Right, and it has a lot of small bones in it.
Yeah, because it looks kind of tiny too. And you can sink it, but you can't taste it.
Right.
Yeah, it's yucky. High five, baby.
Alright, let's do what's next.
Don't broke it.
Oh.
Maybe you think broke it. I think you broke that.
No. Okay. So what is that?
These are
What's
the
this at the
skull.
back? What is this? What's the bone on the back?
Wait, let me fix this. These are really broken. You did not mean to broke that.
To break it.
Yeah, to break it.
So those are the shoulder bones.
Shoulder bones.
Right.
I don't know how to read that. Let's put that over there.
And this is the... What's the long skeleton here?
Look at that.
No, I'm asking you. Put it back so we can see. It's the
It's the
spine.
spine.
Alright, and this is the...
This is the like when you sit down.
Right, what is that?
Uh,
That's your hips.
that's your
Or
hips.
pelvic muscles right here.
Yep.
Alright, let's see what we have here.
This is the body of the guy. You're gonna put
This is the anatomy.
the anatomy.
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 Of the
The
human
human
body.
body.
Again.
I don't know.
Anatomy.
Anatomy.
Or you can just say parts.
Parts.
Okay.
Okay, we're done, guys, with all of the body sensor. And we were going to show you this body human. It can't stand up. Ew.
I think you can stand up here.
Yeah, because... Oh, you're right. It can stand up here. I thought it's...
Oh, there you go. That's awesome. I like it.
Yeah, it's a bit, yeah. So visible.
All right, let's see the parts of the body.
See, these are all of the parts of
You
the
can
body.
use this one
Yeah.
and point it at us. And which ones are they? Let's see.
And this is the
Diaphragm.
diaphragm. It's very easy to see.
Right.
The heart.
Mm-hmm.
I know the heart already.
Uh-huh.
And the muscles, the lungs. And these are the very long. No. The squishy. Let me take these.
What are those?
Yo.
What are those?
It's called
Put it back.
wait, let me fix them.
What are those?
Wait, let me fix. I don't know how to fix them. Wait.
It's okay, just put it here. I'll fix it later.
Almost.
Got it?
No.
I'll fix it later. Okay, what's next?
Then this is the Next one. The brain.
Mm-hmm. What does the brain do?
The brain connects with all of the lines in your body, the muscles, the lights, and even the blue and the red, because it made you really connects together in your brain.
The brain controls the body.
Yeah, the brain controls the body.
Okay.
See, it's very squishy. Squishy brain, squishy brain.
What's
And now
next?
even the caps,
Yep, the skull cap.
the skull cap,
It protects the...
and even the face, and even takes the head,
Right. Let's go to... What's that one?
the stomach.
Right. What does it do?
It made your food and made it like to make it like boom, 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 boom to put it to pieces.
Right. It breaks it into pieces.
Yeah, and look at this was these.
Right.
See? And it goes to over there.
Right. Okay.
Let's put that really upside down.
All right. What's next? What's that one?
The lungs.
What does the lungs do?
The lungs make your breath much better, like
Right. Very good, like that. Okay.
this
Very
is like
good.
that.
Right.
Zero squishy.
What is this?
These are the
Kidneys.
cherries, I know.
What does it do?
It can make the body to your stomach down and make it you can go pee.
Right. Very good. Makes you pee-pee. What is this? It's
The
the
very, very long and
it's
squishy.
the esophagus.
Esophagus.
What does it do?
It's used to make your pee go down to that.
You know, it makes your food go down from your mouth to your stomach.
Yeah. And
When we put it back later on, we will see where we place that one. Okay.
Look at this gooey, 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 gooey.
All right. What's next?
Wait, let me put this back.
Let's see the skeleton. So we already got the skull and the skull cap.
Yep.
What is this?
These are
What are these?
the thing like the skull, the soldiers.
Right, the shoulder
They'll
shoulder
make
blades.
it like this. You can do the dance you want. Like
Yeah.
I'm gonna get your hands.
Okay, what's next? What is this? The long bone here.
Like it's
Long
called.
bones.
You can go and you can poop out, and those are.
What is this? This is the
This is the
spine.
spine. Like it's this
It
is
helps
the
the
spine.
body to.
And does the spine again.
It helps you stand up.
Yeah.
You stand up straight.
Yeah. These tweezers.
Right. What is this?
The
Right. Ribs.
ribs.
It protects the lungs and the heart.
Yeah. And it can hide it inside.
Right.
But they can see the lines, but I can still see them.
Right.
Yeah.
And this is the
Hand. I feet.
right. This is the
Hand.
all right. This is the lower leg bones.
Lower leg bones.
Okay.
And then
How about this one? What is this?
leg bones.
Yeah, this is a leg bone, the upper leg bone. So this is the biggest
Biggest
bone.
bone.
And this is the
This is the
what bone is this? Where do you see this? Is it in the skull? This one?
no.
Where do you see it?
I just see it like over down there to your legs. I mean your shoulder and
Right.
your arm.
In your arm. This
And they can move. So
right. This one is in the lower arm too. And these are your
these are your muscles.
okay. And what's the lines for?
For the brain to go up.
That's the white lines. It's the nerves right
Yeah,
here.
the nerves or connect it to this brain.
Right.
And they can do something like when you do your homework and you can make your own jobs.
Right. And how about the red and the blue? What's the red line?
The red makes you muscles.
It's the arteries.
It's the arteries.
It gives blood to the muscles and to the other organs.
I got my blood inside.
Right. So that's the blue. Blue is the veins.
It's the veins.
Right. Where's your veins?
Veins over here. They're very disappearing when you touch them. Look.
Right.
They're very... I can't disappear. How these? Oh, I can see that they're not disappearing. Oh, they're disappearing.
Right. Maybe it's time to put them back inside.
Yeah. Let's open the body piece.
Okay.
I need my tweezers again. Let's use the brain.
Let's put this first here.
Put that in the head. How are we gonna fix this? I think it's backwards.
Okay, got that.
I can't open. I can't put them back to normal. How am I gonna fix it? Maybe I have to do the hands.
I think it's on the other side lang.
Okay, let's do the other side. I can't do it. We need the heart,
Oh, we got that one.
and even these, and these. Mommy, how do you fix these? Help me. Help me,
Wait a
Mommy.
minute.
Do this.
Okay.
No, that's
Where's
okay.
the
Oh, I just caught.
leg bone?
Oh, I forgot that.
Stem bone.
Say something, I'll give it on you.
Oh.
I don't know how to do it. Give me Santa Claus, like when it's Christmas Eve on like Christmas. I don't know how to do it, Mommy. You can do it. Mommy. And these are the hands. Ugh.
Let's see.
Mommy, I don't know. No. I got it. Here.
Okay, got that one. Let's do this first.
Dang it, dang. When we get this point, see, no. Give, squish, squish.
Alright, that's it. I think they have this.
Wait, mommy, not
What?
not yet, mommy.
What?
Let's do that first.
This one first? Are you sure?
Yeah. It is. Connect.
Oh, we still have stuff underneath it. Give me the other stuff.
Mommy,
What?
can I do it?
Let's see. I'm not sure what to put first.
Maybe we have to put the lungs.
No.
How about these? Oh, maybe we have
Alright,
to
the
put.
lungs does go in here.
No, see these rims?
Right, the lungs go in there, that's right.
And
No. You need to put the stuff underneath there.
we need the heart.
Right, the heart. No. Just put this one first, so...
Wait, you forgot these. Now it's time to put the heart now. Wait, it's backwards. It's backwards.
Okay, right. And you can put the heart like that. Very good.
These are the ones. Wait, wait.
And then the stomach.
You forgot these? This one.
I'll put it in the back.
Mommy, did you forget this?
Stomach like that.
Mommy, did you forget this?
Oh, like that.
Mommy, what I just told you. You forgot these.
Alright, let's do that one. And then this one, the liver. And then that. Oh, let's do this first.
Mommy, did you forget that? Really sticky and funny. Squishy little dee squiddy witty dee.
Right.
Mommy, you're messing up. Okay, guys, this is a fail. And put this one. Wait, I
Okay. Let's see. Okay.
Okay, the body parts are done. My body part. The very sticky is done.
Okay, we're
Here's
done.
The body parts.
So what do you say now?
Bye guys, see you next time. Join the video. Don't miss that kind of sparkle. Bye.
Give us a big thumbs up if you like our video. And don't forget to subscribe to Johanne's channel for more awesome playtimes.
And